this is definitely a man, and I'm not a man, but
that's a man right there.
That's a man. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren, and welcome back to another #Halloween DIY video. This week I am back with some Disney/Pixar DIY costumes like I do every single year. So these characters are from both old movies and some new Disney Pixar movies, which I am super excited about. And some of these characters I've been meaning to make costumes for like forever. So it's finally happening, and I'm so excited to see recreations. I think I finally decided what I'm gonna be for Halloween, but there'll be a little reveal on the IG on October 31st. So stay tuned for that. I'm also hosting a giveaway right now on the Shop Lore DIY Instagram, so make sure to go head over there. And all the Lore DIY products that you see in the video will be linked in the down bar below. You can shop online or in stores at a bunch of different retailers. Also, low-key/high-key, we have products in Target, so there's that too. Still not over it. Anyways, let's hop right into the video, and I will see you guys in the outro. Woo. Okay, so I have been dying to be Lilo/Stitch for my entire life, and it's finally happening. I'm so excited. I think this is gonna be one of my Halloween costumes for sure this year, so I'm so excited to DIY this one. The main DIY element is going to be her little palm bracelets, anklets, and headband. So I've got a bunch of pre-cut leaves here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one more with the Lore DIY scissors, which are like the best scissors ever. Duh. And I've got some elastic stretchy band that I've already measured out for my wrists, ankles, and head. Okay, let's do it. So I actually might even go in and add a few more like single leaves on top like this, just to fill in these little spots here. But it looks super cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this 3 more times for the other wrist, the ankles, and then the headband, and then that's pretty much it. I feel like it's really common to carry a Stitch with you, but I have something even better. Just realized that my nails are like, they're so good. They're so good. Okay, so next we're doing Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph. Wreck-It Ralph 2 is coming out like pretty soon, I'm pretty sure. And at one point, Wreck-It Ralph was the only movie I had on my phone, and so I have seen it an obnoxious amount of times. So she's got a really cute like aqua situation happening. So I'm gonna go in with the Lore DIY Perfect Fabric Paint in Unicorn Tail to do these strings, because they're kind of like a pink color, and she's got a few pink stitches. And then we're gonna do the leggings with Don't Be Jelly and Ice Queen to add her little stripes situation. They're like candy cane legs kind of. So gonna go in with the fabric paint, and also these are available at Michael's if you haven't already shopped. And let's freaking do this, Vanellope. Okay, so our girl Vanellope has all these little candy bits in her hair. And I'm not sure if they're sprinkles or candy, but I just got these on Amazon. They're like little tiny baby candies. Like, they're not beads or anything. I think they're actually made to go into slime, but your girl's not making slime. I'm gonna just hot glue these onto the back parts of the bobby pin. And then when I go to put my hair in a ponytail, we'll just pin these all around and get our Vanellope on. story. I was gonna put these on so I can paint them while they're on so they're properly stretched, but that's just not very convenient. But I do have a friend who, not entirely sure why, has a set of mannequin legs. So I'm gonna just put these on. I mean, like, their caps are a little bigger than mine, but we'll make it work. This is definitely a man, and I'm not a man, but
that's a man right there.
That's a man. So I'm gonna pop these on his legs, and then I'm gonna do some painting, which is gonna be so much easier because now we can do all the way around the legging. Oh, we good. Oh, you look nice. And leggings. Honestly, that looks pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah. Chip from Beauty and the Beast. He's not a Disney princess, but I have like a special place in my heart for Chip. So we're gonna do a really, really cute Chip costume. I have the most amazing Amazon tutu to go for like Chip's bottom half. And then the top half is gonna be a combination of iron-on transfers and then a little bit of the Lord DIY Perfect fabric paint. I've already gone ahead and printed these out on transfers and they are reversed and ready to go. So I'm gonna pop these on and then we're gonna do like a fun golden glitter nose for Chip's little handle. Transfers cool off, I'm gonna use the Perfect Fabric Paint in Rubber Ducky, Twilight, and Superstar to do Chip's nose, and then we can do a full reveal. I'm super excited. And also, these are available at Joann's if you haven't already shopped. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you guys want to see more last minute costumes next weekend, because it's kind of like a cusp Halloween weekend. Because I know some of you guys are probably celebrating Saturday and then maybe not celebrating on the actual Halloween. So let me know what you guys want to see next weekend, or if I should just like hop into more fall related stuff. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see. Don't forget that you can shop all the Lord DIY products online in the links listed down below in the description box. And thank you so much to the Pretty Little Lore of the week this week. Thank you so much for being part of the Pretty Little Lore family. I love you, and thank you so much for shopping Lord DIY products. I hope you're loving it and you're having so much fun and getting your creativity on. If you want to be the Pretty Little Lore of the week next week, make sure to tweet me a photo with you holding any kind of Lord DIY product for a chance to be featured at the end of next Sunday's DIY video. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. Those will also be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlogging on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running.